Hello grade 10. Ngayon sagot natin to. Learning task 2. Week 4 pa ito. So, unahin natin ito. So, meron tayo ditong figure. Okay, given angle UTV. So, this angle UTV, this is 70 degrees. So, sulat natin dito, 70 degrees. Tapos, measure of angle VTY, 92 degrees. So, angle VTY. So, angle VTY is equal to 92 degrees. Tapos, arc YZ. The measure of arc YZ is 88 degrees. So, YZ is equal to 88. Okay, so itong circle natin, based on the central angle. So, kumpletuhin natin ito. So, this 88 is equal to, this arc is equal to this angle here. Okay, ngayon, meron tayo ditong straight line. Ang straight line, so this is equal to half of the circle. So, semicircle ito. So, half of the circle is 180. So, this is diameter. So, this is 180 degrees. So, half ng circle is semicircle. So, semicircle equals to 180 degrees. So, this is 180 degrees. So, 180 minus 70 is equal to this angle is 110. So, this angle is 110 degrees. So, itong arc dito, UV, so this is 70. Yung arc na ito, UZ, this is 110. Okay, ngayon, so itong arc dito is equal to the central angle 92. Okay, ngayon, kumpletuhin natin to. Arc UV, measure of arc UV, this is arc UV. So, measure of arc UV is equal to, this is UV, so this is 70, arc UV is 70 degrees. Next, the measure of angle VTZ, ito straight line. So, this is equal to the semicircle. So, this is 180 degrees. Next, the measure of angle UTY. So, ito na angle. So, this angle UTY. So, angle UTY. So, 70 plus 92. So, 70 plus 92. Gamit na ng calculator. Okay, this is 70 plus 92 equals 162. Okay, 162. This is 162 degrees. Okay, 162. Next, arc VY. So, ito arc VY. Arc VY. This is arc VY. So, arc VY is equal to this angle. So, this is 92 degrees. Next, measure the angle UTZ. So, angle UTZ, ito na. So, this is 110 degrees. Okay. Next, number 2 tayo. Okay, number 2. Okay, second figure dito. So, meron tayong this figure. Okay, kumpletuhin natin yung mga parts niya. So meron tayong given dito arc AY. So arc AY ito. Arc AY is equal to 105. Tapos yung arc RY ito. Arc RY is equal to 85. Tapos given dito arc angle PAR. Angle PAR. So ito PAR, yung vertex A, this is 35 degrees. Okay, ngayon kumpleto natin to. So yung gamitin natin is yung arc inscribed angle. The angle is equal to is 1/2 of the intercepted arc. Okay, so the angle is equal to 1/2 of the intercepted arc. So this angle is 1/2 of the intercepted arc. Inscribed angle. So dito inscribed angle intercepted arc. So ito 35. This is 35 degrees. Oh. So angle PAR is 35 degrees. Angle PAR is 1/2 of the arc PR. Okay, so dito angle PAR is equal to 35 degrees. Okay, this is the measure of angle PAR is 35, 1/2 of the arc PR. Okay, ngayon, ilipat natin itong 1/2 sa kabila. So, mag times 2 tayo. Times 2. So, times 2 rin tayo dito. So, times 2 dito sa right side. Times 2 din sa left side. So, maging ito, makat na ito. So, ang maiwan dito, PR na lang. Arc PR. Arc PR. So, dito, this is 70. So, ito ay 70. Okay, next. So, dito, ito, 85. So, ito is equal to inscribe angle dito. So, ito is equal to kalahati ng 85. 1/2 of this. So, angle so, angle RAY is equal to the measure of 1/2 of the arc RY. Okay, so this is angle, this is 1/2 of RY is 85. So 1/2 of 85. Okay, calculator tayo. 85 divided by 2, 42.5. This is 42.5. Okay, 42.5. Okay, next. Ito, 105. Okay. So, gamitin natin itong okay, this is equals 1/2. Lagyan natin ng ano dyan. Tapos dito, measure of angle ARY. So, ARY. Ito ang angle. So, A is 1/2 of this arc. So, 1/2 of arc AY. Arc AY. So angle ARY is 1/2 of this arc AY. So ngayon, ang given is ito. So arc AY is 105. So kalahati ng 105. Okay, calculator tayo. 105 divided by 2. So this is 52.5. Okay, 52.5. So 105. This is 52.5. Okay, next. So ito na tayo, 105, 55, 70. So ito, hanapin natin to. So this is, this whole circle is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, so 360 degrees yung buong circle natin. So ito, i-minus natin to sa 360. So minus 70 minus 85 minus 105. Okay, so RPA is equal to 360 minus 70 minus 85 minus 105. Calculator natin. So 360 minus 70 minus 85 minus 105. So equals 100. So this is 100 degrees. So this is 100. Okay, check natin deh, 70. Okay, 70 plus 85 plus 105. Oh, equals to 60. Oh, 105. So this is 260. So minus 260 minus 360 minus 260, this is 100. So meron tayong 100 dito. Okay. Ito pasulot natin. So 100. Okay, ngayon gamitin natin ito. Kompleto na ba? So ito na ang arc dito is equal to 1/2 of this is 50. So ito, 1/2 nito is also 50. Okay. So dito, 1/2 nito, ng arc na ito, describe siya dito, this is 35. Okay, 35 degrees. So ito, 1/2 dito is, this is 42.5. Ito, 1/2 nito is, okay, 52.5. Okay, so ito na yung mga angle natin. Kompleto na lahat. So, kasagutan natin to. Measure of arc AP. Arc AP is ito. Arc AP is 100. Arc AP, this is 100. Ito, measure of angle YRA. YRA. So ito is equal to 52.5. Okay, next, measure of angle AYP. AYP. So angle AYP ito. This is 50. Next, the arc PR. So measure of the arc PR. Okay, arc PR ito. Arc PR is 70. Okay, next, dito measure of angle RPA. Angle RPA. So ito. Okay, RPA. So napansin nyo yung ito. So this arc here is 105 plus 85 is 90. So this is 990 degrees. So ang total nito 90 din. 90 by 2. 90 85 plus 190 ito 80. Try natin. So 52.5 plus 42.5 95. 95. So this is 42.5. This is 52.5. Okay. So hindi man to siya diameter. So dito na lang tayo. So this is ang measure ng angle na ito is 42 plus 52.5 is equal to 95. So this is 95 degrees. So 95. So 95. Ito 190. So 95 times 2 be 95. 95 times 2 190. So tama siya. Equal siya sa arc dito. So 90. Okay. So ito na yung sagot natin. Okay. See you next time.